We had some crazy winds last night, and here's the proof. Unbelievable. Well, those are shallow roots, aren't they? Look at those two trees that got knocked down, pulled out of the ground. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. So, there you have it. There have been stop signs snapped. There have been big trees off the main routes knocked over. This is just in our little neighborhood here. This is just to give you an idea about the winds here. Nice learning experience for sure. Street signs were bent, metal street signs were bent over. Boy, that wind was really howling. Just never know what's going on outside. So, here we are coming home. Just wanted to show you that.